Sky Cable TV Kenya, Beyond the Real.
Hi viewers, this is Susan Muita with True Living Show, which airs via Sky Cable TV. Welcome. We are continuing on talking about physical activities or exercises, which previously on previous videos we said it is very important for all of us to be exercising, depending on the stage you are at life. So exercises is for everybody from babies to old age. So it does not matter your age, it does not matter your sex, it does not matter the point you are in life. For you to have a true living way of life, you have to exercise. I know some people, they exercise often because some of the jobs people do, some other jobs, they require you to do physical things. But as we look at life today, those numbers of people who are in those kind of activities are very few. So it is very important to exercise. And even those people who have those kind of life where they exercise, those jobs they do, they might exercise on a different types of exercises because of the job they do, but they might not be able to do some of the exercises. On previous video, I talked about 4 types of exercises that one should do. And even on this video, we'll continue and we'll talk more of what is entails on those exercises. So one of them was aerobics exercises, another one was anaerobic exercises, and then there was balancing exercises, and then flexibility exercises. So what I mean is, like, even those people who do activities, you know, we know some people, they might be working on gardens or on constructions areas where maybe they are lifting up, or like on construction, they might be doing some flexibility or balancing exercises while they are missing out on anaerobics or aerobics, and vice versa. So it is always good to know what exercises you're now meeting. And even if you're not able to exercise, try your best to exercise one type of these exercises. If you at all, you cannot do all of them, but it is very necessary. If you have time, if you have the energy, if you are motivated, do all types of exercises. And that means that, you know, you exercise targeting the whole of your body, you know, from all organs of your body, from your head to toe. And we know as times go by, depending on age, there are some types, areas of your body which, you know, they are targeted more. Let's say like somebody who is older than the other one, we can also say like the mid area of your body, you know, we are talking about from, you know, where the heart is going to, you know, like where your legs are. So that area is needed to be exercised a lot if you are over 35 years and up. And also when you're older, you know, when you're 65 and above, there are some exercises also which are also needed to make your, you know, your bones and muscles strong. So it also depends on the types of exercises that you choose. And, you know, even if you don't have somebody to guide you on which exercises to be done, because nowadays we know that they are experts, they are people, you know, they are gymnastic people, or people in the gym, or whatever area are. They can look at you, they can look at your height, your weight, they can also look at your age, they can also look on your body, you know, the way it is built, whatever you eat, and they can tell you these are the good exercises for you. But it does not matter. Wherever you are, however you are, you can exercise. Especially cardiovascular exercises, they are good for everybody because everybody has a heart and lungs. We need to strengthen them. We need also to run away from cardiovascular diseases. And then there are also other exercises that we have to do to maintain our weight, to lose weight, to run away from weight. So there are different types of exercises. As we are talking about exercises, don't forget to go down there. You'll find that red ravish button. Just press it. Just press subscribe. Press the likes. And also you can comment so that we can continue bringing more content on this. And as we are continuing on types of exercises that one should be doing, so the first one we can talk about the aerobics. I've been talking about aerobics. So those are like the cardiovascular exercises. Some of them is walking, something simple. You don't have to go to the gym to walk. You don't have to be taught how to walk. Anybody can walk, and places to walk, they are unlimited. If you live in an area where there is no field to walk, you can walk around the roadside, you can walk inside your house, you can walk in the gym, you can walk in the field, you can walk in the village, you can walk in the town. Walking is unlimited, so that should not be an excuse for anybody. Those people who have an opportunity to swim, that's an aerobic exercise. People who can run, you can run a lot, you can do cycling, like if you have a bicycle or if you have a machine where you can cycle. So that's part of aerobic exercising. So you should be able to do it. You can also have a gym or an area where you have cardio machines, and those will provide you with this kind of exercise. Others is like spinning. If you have a chance of spinning, you spin. So that's part of exercises. Then you can be doing running, walking, hiking, dancing. Dancing, you can even do it in your house. You don't have to, to go anywhere to do dancing. You can even put a YouTube dance, channel and go with it. Or form a group and you can do dancing somewhere. People dances in many ways. Some people can go to clubs and dance. That's well and good for them. Some people, they can dance on church services, Other people can dance on groups or even at home when you're listening to your radio or when you're watching TV. Others are like kickboxing. You can do it. Skiing, that's part of an aerobic exercises. Other types of exercises are not aerobics, anaerobics. So anaerobics exercises. So this one target different muscles. These ones are particular because we just talked about aerobics. So those ones, they can help you lose weight. They can help you maintain weight. But sometimes you are not able to lose the types of weight you want. Or they also help you to strengthen your muscle or to build your muscle. But they are specific. The anaerobics makes you lose weight the right way or makes a certain area where you want to lose weight. So for specific thing to do, go to anaerobics. What are the anaerobics exercises? Because all these have different names. So this one is like weightlifting. So weightlifting, it depends on the weight you want to lift. So you can start with small weight lift or big lifts, and there is a way they are done. So that's anaerobic. Other is jumping. You can do it at home. You can do rope jumping at your home. So that's an aerobic exercise. Another one is sprinting, high intensity, exercises like biking. And you can be doing them, you can be training on doing them maybe twice or 3 times a week, depending on the muscles you are targeting. So another types of exercises I had mentioned earlier on was the balancing exercises. They are very, very good because they give you support. They prevent you from falls. They make you strong. They also help you also with losing weight or maintaining weight, or even when you're starting up, they give you a firm strength. It can be a balancing thing you can be doing. A lot of yoga, it is done on this basis. Also, standing on one foot while the other one is up. So those are the balancing exercises, and there are more. I'm just mentioning a few so that you can have an idea. Then another types of exercises we had just said was the flexibility exercises, like the one you stretch. You can stretch your hands, you can stretch your legs, you can stretch any part of your body. These ones, they target on movements of like range of movement on some joints, and they are very good. They are very good, especially if you're having a condition like arthritis. It can be part of the treatment. It can be part of improving. It can be part of preventing getting arthritis. And especially if your family, they have a line of arthritis, or many people in your family are prone, or your people had been having arthritis. These are good exercises to be done. You do a lot of stretching, a lot of squeezing, that part of it. And as we continue, don't forget to go down there and press the ravish red button and subscribe. And at the end, we can start talking about the importance of exercises. I know on previous video and on this video, as I'm presenting it, I'm talking about the benefits of exercising, but we can touch one by one so that you can know. And if you don't exercise, you can start thinking about it. If you don't exercise, you can start exercising. If you have stopped exercising, you can wake up and start going. Just take baby steps. Just start one at a time, and sooner or later you're gonna be a pro. Sooner or later you're gonna be doing this even without thinking. Sooner or later you realize the benefit of exercising. So some of these benefits, what are they? You can comment down there. You can say what they are, but I'll mention one by one as we go by so that you can know there are many, many benefits. Actually, on this show, we'll talk about like 20 benefits of physical activities or exercises. And as I have been mentioning on these videos, that exercising is very, very important. And it's not limited to age, it's not limited to sex, it's not limited to race, it's not limited to anybody. It's for everybody, from kids to old age. So can I just mention some of the benefits? So one of the benefits is that when you exercise, you reduce body fat. And we know body fats, as we are true to living, as the show goes by, when you have less fat, then you are walking away from many diseases which, they are caused by a lot of fat. Because when you have a lot of fat, that's one way of getting many diseases, like even type 2 diabetes, because When you have a lot of fat, then your insulin is not well metabolized. We run away from diseases like high cholesterol. We run away from hypertension. We run from getting a stroke. We run away from many diseases. Then another benefit of exercising or having physical activities is increasing your lifespan. So you'll make your life longer. You live on this earth, more years or more days or whatever, more than the people who do not exercise. So if you want to live longer, exercise. Then you are able to oxygenate your body well. So if you exercise, you are better than somebody who does not exercise. So you are able to inhale the oxygen, you are able to metabolize it quickly, and that's a plus. Another one is you are strong. Your muscles strength is increased when you exercise, when you have physical activities on a regular basis. And the more you exercise, the better. Then you are able to manage your chronic problems. I can give an example of like people who have chronic pain. So when you exercise, the pain is reduced, the pain is less because the body is able to endure. And even you have less weight, because the more weight you have, if let's say you have like a back pain, it becomes more when you have weight. So when you exercise, you lose more body weight, you lose more fat, so you become lighter, and even the pain is less. Another one is, you reduce your chances of getting diabetes type 2. And if you already have it, you are able to manage it better. Let's say if you are taking insulin and then you start exercising, then you might go to hypoglycemic pills instead of insulin. Later on, you might just be doing the diet. So it's a way of healing. When you exercise, it's like you're healing, because we are talking about true living. So we are also talking about true health. So you need to be whole to enjoy your body. So you need not to have pain, you need not to have a lot of chronic diseases or acute diseases. So exercise is one of them. Like the way we say, eat healthy, eat a balanced diet. Or let's say if you have diabetes, eat diabetic diet, eat a healthy diet, eat a healthy diet. So exercise is part of it. So you have to exercise. Exercising is a must. I know you won't be forced by anybody, but just force it to yourself to make it better. Another thing is you boost your mood. So if you exercise, you boost your moods, you make your life better, you stay healthy. We said that you make yourself happy, you boost your confidence, your self-esteem is up there. So even depression, anxiety, and all moods which goes by with your moods become less. So that is a plus. Then when you exercise, you don't forget a lot of things. You improve your memory. So do yourself a favor. Just do exercise and you'll improve your brain and you'll improve your memory, and even your cognition skills will be up there. Then you'll be able to improve your coordination. We just talked about the flexibility and balancing exercises. When you do them, you improve your coordination from anything, coordination from your daily living, work, coordination from your brain, coordination from your body metabolism, coordination from your body muscles and organs. So it is always good to exercise. Another benefit of exercising is like you clear your arteries. So we said earlier on that your high cholesterols the good one, it becomes higher, while the bad lower cholesterol goes away. So it's like when you exercise, because you are moving on the oxygen and the blood is moving fast, you are able to clear even your arteries. So they are rarely, they cannot block quickly like somebody who does not exercise. And even the cholesterol the bad cholesterol will leave you quicker than the person who does not exercise. So another one benefit is improving your complexion. You know, earlier on another video on physical exercises, we talked about your appearance. Your appearance improves. So your complexion, you know, when you exercises, we said you lose a lot of water. You know, your pores are open. So even your skin smoothens up. Your body becomes better, your metabolism is going good. And even like when you're exercising, you tend to drink a lot of water, which is good, which will cleanse you more, which will makes you better. Another benefit of exercising is strengthening your bones. We know many people who exercises, their bones become strong, especially if you are in a game where you jump. You know, you jump, you are able to run, you know, you are able to move, so your bones become strong. And that's why, like, we see people playing in the field with games like American football, you know, or hockey or whatever game it is. People who play there, sometimes they fall or they jump on each other, and yet their bones are not broken. Somebody who never exercises, if they once try to go that side, you find like they have broken bones. Or if you fall and slide, some people just fall a small fall and yet their bones are broken. But somebody who has been exercising for ages or for a long time, it's hard to break their bones unless it's a big fall. And that's why it's good always to exercise. Another good benefits of exercise is detoxifying your body. So who does not want to detoxify their bodies? So when you detoxify, it means because you are already using the oxygen, so your body is able to remove the bad toxin in you. So that's a benefit of exercising or having physical activity. Another one thing is when you're exercising, it's like you're in another world, you're not thinking of many things, so you decrease your stress. So, and we know stress is a bad thing. Stress makes you older, stress makes you sick, stress make you dysfunctional. So if you have a way of making it less, you know, removing stress or running away from stress, at that time you are exercising, it's well and good. Exercises is part of it. So another one is, we talked about boosting your immune when you are exercising. Let's say, you know, let's even talk about the normal cold, the one you brought about via virus. It goes out quickly, as the same as other diseases which are brought up by viruses, bacteria, or whatever brings a disease. So when you exercise, it makes it better. Another thing, you know, we are talking about hypertension, lowering your blood pressure. Let's say your blood pressure was high when you are exercising, because when you exercise, you bring your blood pressure high, so you are able to endure. So when you finish exercising and you settle, your blood pressure goes down, and that's a good way of maintaining your blood pressure to go down. Another thing is reducing cancer risk. So we said that most people who exercise, they don't get a lot of cancer. And one of the reason is, like I just talked about and said, that exercises makes you lose a lot of body fat. We know nowadays that a lot of cancers, they are linked to fat. So if your body has more fat, the higher risk you have for any cancer disease. And we'll stop there and pray and hope that you'll be exercising. Myself, I will start also trying to exercise, and I would wish everybody would do the same. And don't forget to watch our show every Tuesday at 8 p.m. Eastern African time and 12 noon Eastern time. And don't forget to subscribe, and thank you and goodbye.